Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Soundcore Q20i with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and write Bluetooth. Now click enter and right here click add Bluetooth. After that, press and hold power button on your right ear cup to turn on your headphones. It should enter to pairing mode automatically, but if you don't want to, just press 2 times at this power button. 1, 2, and now we should see it at the device list. Click on it, and then click done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!